Hi everyone, I'm Jenni Stewart, and today I am so excited to introduce you to Jenni Flickinger. Jenni is an executive director out of Iowa. She's the leader of CIA, and Jenni and her team are on fire after a really incredible Midwest success training. All right, so Jenni, tell me, how do you keep the momentum going in the summer?
So, to keep the momentum going in the summer, our team is all about the personal connection and keeping the events going. So, we have more of our team fun days. We are still having our monthly rallies, and we're just making sure we're getting together in person. Because if it's a little bit slower, that's kind of when you feel the love from your sister consultants, and it just kind of gives us time to bond together as a team.
So Jenni, tell me a little bit about some of the key takeaways that you and your team received from this last training.
Midwest Success was awesome. I feel like everybody should go next year. It was super cool. I think some of the best takeaways from it were just the content. We had a verbiage training on how to be smart with your words, how to phrase things, how to use proper punctuation when you're talking to customers and clients, and what a difference it can make. And then we also did a reservice outside order class, and that's my baby. Like, I love that. And we did like a 19 ways to get outside orders. And that also kind of keeps the business going and the momentum going in the summer as well.
So I love that you mentioned outside orders. Can you just give us like one or two, maybe three of your tips from that, from your 19 tip rundown?
Absolutely. So, my couple tips from the outside order, the best one that anybody can do is birthdays. So, whether you're new or you've been in business and you have a ton of contacts, I actually go on Facebook and I private message everybody a birthday video of me singing happy birthday. And I'm not that good of a singer. Like, it's not that good, but it's me singing happy birthday to them, and it's a great way. They love it, and they're like, oh my gosh, that's the craziest, sweetest thing anybody's ever done to them. And they think it's great, and that's something, even being a new consultant, that you could go through your friends list and be singing happy birthday to all of your friends, whether they're a customer yet or not. Another one would probably be, I send Christmas cards every year with like a coupon, a Christmas cash kind of thing in them. And those always get me a lot of retail. So, yes, it costs postage and some cheap Christmas cards that I get at Walmart for cheap, cheap, cheap. But I mean, I think last year I got about $11,000 in retail just from sending these Christmas cards. So, those would probably be my favorite too, hands down.
Those are awesome suggestions. Thank you so much.
Thank
So Jenni, you
you.
mentioned before about people kind of seeing summer as a little bit of a slower time and it being a good opportunity to get together with everybody. So what are some business tips that you can give to somebody who is thinking summer's a little bit slower and is really looking for opportunities to work that business and stay consistent through the summer?
So I live in the Midwest, and we just had our fourth worst winter ever. Like, it was pretty bad. And now that it's nice out and summer has arrived, all of our customers want to be outside. So, I mean, taking advantage of doing a party on somebody's patio or on their porch, or a quickie party in the summer. Making it theme parties. Our team is really into the theme parties in the summer because it just has to be something different. It has to be something extra fun if people are giving up their outside time. When there's only a couple months of it where I live here in Iowa. So, for people to give that up and have high attendance, you definitely have to make the parties seem more fun than normal.
So Jenni, I know Team CIA shows up to everything. So let's talk about national training. How excited are you and your team for national training?
My team and I are so excited for national training this year. Corporate never disappoints us. It's always fantastic. It's something that I will never miss. I mean, we have to go. We will cram all of our girls into cars. We will carpool. We will drive the 8, 9 hours for our team to get there. And it's fun. And you come back and, you're ready to hop into busy season again with a bunch of new ideas. And it's the best. I mean, we're so excited. I think there's 68 of us that are registered and going.
That's incredible. 68 is awesome. You're going to
I
have a
know.
big
I'm
presence
super
there. It's really
excited.
exciting. So what are some things that you do before training, either at team meetings or just with some other leaders on your team, to get that excitement going? So this is something that is a can't miss. Like, are you talking about it at team meetings and your team's like, oh my gosh, we have to go? And how are you talking about it and selling it to some of the newer consultants who maybe don't know what the national training experience is like?
So with that, as soon as we have the date, we're setting up a Facebook event for it, and we're coaching, and the leaders on my team are posting, just got my hotel room. Who wants to carpool with me? And we start the excitement like right away, just so everybody feels comfortable. Booked my hotel, and it just seems like that if everybody's doing it, why wouldn't they want to do it? Right. So we really advertise it like that because it is something that they need to be at. Also, what we do to promote it is we coach, like just like I hostess coach my parties, I'm hostess coaching in the events as well. So it's always showing that to keep it in front of them. I mean, just like anything, you have to keep it in front of them. Also, every rally that we do, that's our team meeting, we're always talking about here's the next event. Everybody's got to be there. Here's the registration. And just talking about it as part of our announcements at every single event we do.
All right, Jenni, so we love to end our interviews like this. What is the thing that you are most excited about right now?
So what I am most excited about right now is I am building my dream home, and I am just so excited. It's my Flick Forever home. We've hashtagged it. All my customers are really getting into it right now. And we have all these upgrades that we want to do, right? So I'm like, oh, here's my fancy staircase. I need $7,000 for my fancy staircase. And my customers are helping me. Like, so I'm just upgrading in cash with all these things. So I couldn't be more excited. I'm posting about it nonstop, and everybody's really loving it. So I can't wait. I will have my forever home in about 6 months.
Jenni, thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate it. Absolutely loved learning your hot tips for summer and coming off of your Midwest Success training. I hope everyone out there enjoyed it, and I hope you took home a little something to make your business even better.
Thank you.